Good morning, everybody. This is Jean here. Again, please excuse my glasses. Do you like my funky glasses? It is really bright out, and you know my eyes are sensitive, so I do have to wear sunglasses. You must excuse me. I'm ready to go on my walk, and this is just a few-minute video. I wanted to explain and to thank you everybody for watching my previous couple videos, because I know they have been long. I actually have 2 more in the can that will be coming up, part 3 and 4 of the quilt show review, the highlights that I am doing, because we went 2 whole days to the quilt show, and I realized we saw an awfully lot of quilts and actually photographed and videoed them. So I hope you don't mind. Those videos are on my playlist, the PA Quilt Show Review 2024. Again, I thank you for taking the time to watch them. That really helps me out. But this video is just going to be a few minutes. I just think it's very, very funny. When we were at the quilt show, I believe in my first video, part 1, Ian and I had come across a quilt that was just this wonderful explosion of color with points, and it was just so lovely. And I did a couple minutes of videoing close-ups of this glorious excuse me, this glorious quilt that we thought absolutely should have been a winner, and it didn't get any ribbons or anything. And there were, I would say there were maybe 30 or maybe even 40 categories of traditional and of wall quilts, traditional size quilts, art quilts, mid-century modern. About 40 categories that actually won ribbons, and I know I have highlighted a couple of them. I couldn't take pictures of obviously all of the quilts, but this one quilt that we had admired, just this wonderful with points in every color of the rainbow. We said that should have gotten a winner. Well, guess what, folks? After the fact, I went on to Mancuso's, who was the show management company, Mancuso, and they had listed for the general public, or for anyone interested, all of the actual winners in each category. At the very end, guess which one was Viewers Choice? The one that we said, that should have been, got no ribbon there. That was so magnificent. So the quilt that we chose, actually quite a lot of other people chose that quilt, that should have really gotten a ribbon. That was the general public's pick. Out of all of the quilts there, that's the one they liked the best. And there were hundreds of quilts, which were all so lovely, but that one just struck our eyes, and that was the, people had to vote. Was it on the Sunday? I believe it was, which quilt they liked, the general public liked, and that was our quilt. So congratulations. I will put the quote up here. Viewer's choice, and well deserved. And one other thing, I do have 2 more videos, longer videos, of the second day of the quilt show, the first day and the second day of the quilt show, that I do hope you take time to watch. But one other thing that we were excited about, several videos ago I had announced that we were expecting our 20th grandchild. Francois and Brianna, our number 7 son, Francois, and his wife Brianna, are expecting their 2nd child. That is so exciting. So that will be grandbaby number 2020. Well, to Truelove fashion, couldn't end there, could it? Niles, our number 9 son, Niles and his wife Allie, have announced that they are expecting their first baby. So that will be number 21 grandchildren that we have. So what have we started? It seems never ending. So I just wanted to do a shout out to both Francois, but also to Niles and Allie on their news of their new little baby. They will be finding out, both of them will be finding out what it is, and I'll let you know, because you've been along on this journey forever. And Niles and Allie have been married 6 years, and have decided to set down roots and start their own little family. So we're just pleased as punches with that news, and I wanted you to share that with you guys. So anyway, thank you so very much. It's all winners today. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. I try to take a walk and build up my immune system. Oh, there's just one other small thing. I have long COVID, and again, not to beat a dead horse, but one of the symptoms. Oh, I don't. Sorry about that wind chime. It's a little loud. One of the symptoms, I guess, or one of the odd things that is happening to me is I have a large appetite anyway, and I know I'm overweight, but whatever. I have this not insatiable need for food, but yeah, I eat something, and then I instead of like 3-4 hours later, like 45 minutes later, I'm hungry, and it seems that the food isn't nourishing me. Now I'm taking all sorts of supplements. I'm really trying to build up my immune system, and that's what Ian said it was. Ian said, Ian, you know, darling, you're trying to get healthy, you're trying to get strong, and your body is needing that fuel. But it's just an odd thing. As I said, I like my food, but this is more of a on a metabolic level, if I can explain it like that. It's very, very strange, and when it hits me, even Ian will say, you have to eat. And I know the whole thing about your blood sugar lessening and everything, but it's not like that. It's not like that, because again, my brain, which is in a fog half the time, again, which is a symptom of long COVID, I can't decide whether I want sweet or savory. It's just a very odd sensation. But again, I thank you. I'm trying to get stronger. I'm going for my walks every day. I can only manage just a few steps down our lane, which is a long way. But yeah, I'm doing good. Anyway, I didn't want to waffle on. Thank you so very much. The winners today for the quilt, unbelievable. Viewers Choice, and of course to Niles and Allie. Congratulations to them. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Love you. Have a lovely day. Keep safe. Love for the Trueloves. Bye-bye.